Inside the sturdy box, AGM G3 Pro sits snugly like a piece of precision equipment. The first thing that strikes me is its confident presence. Bold lines, reinforced corners, and a cold metal frame that immediately conveys resilience. Beneath the device, AGM includes a 33-watt fast charger, USB-C cable, SIM tray ejector pin, a screen protector glass, stickers, and quick start guide, all neatly arranged. The presentation feels utilitarian yet premium, reflecting the brand's design ethos. Functional, robust, and refined. This is a device that makes its priorities obvious from the very first moment. Lifting the AGM G3 Pro for the first time, the balance immediately stands out. Despite housing a massive 10,000 milliamp hour battery, a thermal imaging sensor, a 5-watt speaker, and a huge camping light, the phone never feels unwieldy. At 375 grams, it is substantial without being fatiguing. The weight distribution is excellent, and the phone sits naturally in the hand, more refined than most rugged devices I've used. The geometric back design with textured grip and metallic accents provides both visual character and real tactile confidence. Whether holding it with gloves or bare hands, grip never feels compromised. After extended use, the AGM G3 Pro stands out as one of the most complete, rugged smartphones I've tested. It successfully blends extreme durability with advanced imaging, modern Android performance, and thoughtful daily usability. This is not merely a phone for surviving harsh conditions. It is a device designed to work in them. The thermal imaging system alone elevates it into professional territory, while features like wireless charging, a high refresh display, and pure Android 15 ensure it never feels dated or compromised. For professionals, explorers, and users who demand more than basic ruggedness, the AGM G3 Pro is not just capable, it is genuinely impressive.